Hello guys, happy weekend! Today I'm going to share with you this absolutely my favorite dish, minced chicken with preserved mustard buds. We're going to need 3 types of pepper, bell pepper, green chili pepper, and Thai chili. And now we're going to dice them all. Here's the pickled radish, and we're gonna dice it as well. The pickling recipe is in the link above. Welcome to check it out. And this is preserved mustard buds, which you can find them easily in Asian market. And here are some of our old friends: garlic, ginger, chili, and scallions. Now let's marinate the ground chicken. A pinch of white pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing white cooking wine, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and mix them up a little bit. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Now we're gonna mix them and marinate it for 20 minutes. Now let's heat up the pan and add the cooking oil. When the oil is heated up, add the chicken. When the chicken is about 80% down, we're going to add half tablespoon sweet bean paste and 1 tablespoon chili bean paste. Alright, let's give a good fry. And now we're going to put the garlic, ginger, chili, and scallions in there. Fry them, mix them very well. The next step is add the preserved mustard buds and pickled radish. Stir fry for a minute or 2. Then we're going to the last step, is add up all the diced pepper in there and mix it up. You don't want it to fry the pepper for too long. You want it to keep it fresh and crunchy. And as usual, I like to add a pinch of sugar to lift up the flavor, but it's optional. And okay, let's eat! Arden look good. Take it. Okay. Alright, honey, you can start it. I'm gonna take a photo. Use your word.
Very yummy.
Yeah, except yummy. Anything else? That's the first time I cook it because I couldn't find another ingredient.
Nice flavors. Our homegrown peppers.
Yeah.
Nice heat level. Spicy.
Yeah. I adjust the spiciness because I know you can't take that much spice. So I use the red bell pepper instead of lots of Thai chili.
Wow.
Thank you. Look at our fan is in your background. There. Too bright.
How sure.
How sure? Good. I put it in the 400. Good? Of course. Of course.
What's the red pepper?
I'm so proud. It's just sweet bell pepper.
The little ones?
Yeah, I cut them small.
Ah!
Watch out the camera, you're shaking the table. But I put a little bit Thai chili in there just to add up a little bit.
I know, I found the spice, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Is it our Thai chili or no?
No. Honey, we don't have I mean, we have Thai chili, but they're not ready yet.
Oh, okay, good talk.
Alright, I'm done. Let's eat. Very good. Okay. Awesome.